Premier service, premier service. Le dîner est servi dans le wagon-restaurant. Dinner is served in the restaurant car. Excusez-moi, monsieur.
Pardon me.
Premier service, premier service. Le dîner est servi dans le wagon-restaurant. Dinner is served in the restaurant car. Premier service. Le dîner est servi dans le wagon-restaurant.
Jacques, I've got the most awful headache. Would you tell Herr Schmidt I won't be having dinner with him tonight?
Of course, madame. Can I bring you anything?
No, I'm just tired.
Bien, madame.
Pardon me?
I hope you can get some rest tonight.
Danke, Jacques.
I was afraid you'd gotten off in Vienna.
In Vienna? Why should I?
I don't know, but I'm glad to see you.
The journey will be over soon enough.
So, what happens to August Schmidt now?
He will find the police waiting for him in Budapest. The guns will be discovered and confiscated.
I see. A job well done. You must be very proud of yourself.
You want to talk. Is smuggling guns your idea of an honorable profession?
Is that my profession?
It's like a game to you, taking sides. Today you help the Bosnians, tomorrow the English. Do you want to know why Tyler died? I'll tell you. For 1,000 years, people have been killing each other over the Balkans. It's not about to stop for one American. Our history is a chain of blood. It reaches deep into the past, it binds us, and it has nothing to do with you. Tyler is dead, you can't bring him back. Why don't you go home before the same thing happens to you?
Tyler was my friend. Maybe that word doesn't mean much to you. To me, when a friend asks for help, and you get there too late, you don't leave it at that.
Go away, please.
Pogledu kažu da je Rusija već počela da mobiliše. Ja u to ne verujem. Biće u svim novinama. Austrija i Srbija su prekinule odnose. Kažem ti, rat je.
Tatiana?
Excusez-moi, madame.
А подумайте о том, что будет возведено взамен.
Ничто не понадобится возводить взамен стране. Только частная собственность будет учреждена, и люди станут равными.
Bonsoir, monsieur. Bonsoir, monsieur.
Excusez-moi, monsieur. Excusez-moi, monsieur, c'est le conducteur.
I say, I think you've got the wrong compartment.
Looks like we've both got the wrong compartment.
Pozzoni. Le train arrive en gare de Pozzoni. 3 minutes d'arrêt.
Таких людей, как ваш дед, Россия откатилась уже сотни лет назад.
Дедушка не такой
Позвони.
святой человек.
There is good
Le
and bad
train
in
arrive en gare de Postoni.
Аболенский
3
one of the
minutes
most evil
d'arrêt.
products of the most evil system ever invented by
Bonsoir,
man.
monsieur.
Себя послушали.
Если бы вы слышали то, что я слышал. Если бы вы видели,
Excusez-moi,
то, что я видел своими
monsieur.
глазами, Татьяна, вы бы сами, взяв нож вашего деда, зарезали бы его спящим.
Ah, monsieur, excuse me. These compartments belong to the gentleman in number 4.
Татьяна!
Bonsoir, monsieur.
Qui est-ce?
Sorry, my mistake.
Bon, on rentre? Toi, allez, viens.
Voilà, monsieur. Le canard rôti.
Excusez-moi, monsieur. It's the conductor to make your bed, monsieur.
Good evening. I saw you in the dining car, but I didn't want to bother you. Did you enjoy your dinner?
Dinner was satisfactory, yes.
Must be delightful to be able to dine with your family every night. That's the worst part about travelling. All those meals
Have a good night.
alone. The loneliness rather gets to you after a while.
My problem is the
Quiet.
opposite one.
It's the conductor to make
Oh,
your
yes.
bed, madame.
Well, I can see that. Really? Interesting.
Pardon me?
Merci, madame. Excusez-moi de vous avoir dérangé.
Who is it?
Oh, excuse me, Mr. Dolnikov. Excusez-moi, monsieur, c'est le conducteur.
ايه امشي من هناك سمعتني امشي من هناك
Excusez-moi, monsieur. Excusez-moi. Pardon me? Pardon me?
Deuxième service. Deuxième service. Le dîner est servi dans le wagon restaurant. Dinner is served in the restaurant car.
Don't answer it.
I have to.
Василий Александрович, это наша с вами прощальная встреча.
Нет! Дедушка! Осторожно, он хочет тебя убить!
Нет, это ошибка, вы не поняли.
произойдет покушение на мою жизнь. Убийцы следовали за мной из самой России. Я не боюсь смерти. Я всегда следовал заветам нашей церкви, регулярно принимал участие, постился. Я служил Господу нашему Иисусу Христу и исполнителю Его воли на земле Божьей. Когда я умру, святые защитят меня и приведут к ногам Господа нашего, который простит мне
Look here,
прегрешения
we'll be
мои
in
и
Budapest.
укажет дорогу к
My
спасению.
company has a pretty good understanding with the Austro-Hungarian authorities. I think if you let me speak to them first, I can explain what happened here and get this mess cleared up without a lot of fuss. No need to splash it all over the papers.
Pardon me?
Reputation of the line to think of and all that. There's a good fellow. I say, well done. Now how about that drink?
Pardonnez-moi.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me?
Pardon me.
Excuse me? Excusez-moi, monsieur.
Pardon me.
Cognac, please.
Very good, madame.
Thank you.
There you are. What a nasty business. Oh well, good job it's over. Saves me a bit of trouble. Cheers.
Saves you trouble? How?
Oh well, the word went out that one of those anarchist chaps was travelling on the express precisely in order to blow up that poor old fellow Obolensky. So the company sent me along to see if I could spot him and nip things in the bud, you see, before any unpleasantness. Fact is, for a while I wasn't sure if it was him or you.
Me?
Well, travelling without a ticket, assumed name and all that, you can see why I might have wondered. No hard feelings, I hope.
No hard feelings.
Good job you finding that bomb. I wonder, have you ever considered doing a bit more work in this line?
What line?
Surely a man of your perception must realise that Europe is on the brink of war. Britain and America have certain common interests. An American who knows his way about, cool head in a tight spot. Frankly, we could use a fellow like you.
Your English police seem to have a different opinion.
Oh yes, that awkward business with that Irish policeman. As a matter of fact, I've looked into that. You know, you really shouldn't have helped that fellow, even if he was wounded. Our police tend to take it rather to heart when a policeman is killed. But in this case, I think there may have been a bit of a misunderstanding. Guilt by association, if you see what I mean. Fact is, you're a doctor, Hippocratic oath and all that. I think we can clear this business up fairly easily, assuming we want to.
You mean assuming you want to?
This isn't the first time you've come to our attention, Mr. Cath. We never have known quite what to make of you. Some of us were of the opinion that you were rather a loose cannon, like your friend Mr. Whitney. Unfortunate what happened to him. Me, I've always felt that when push came to shove, you'd turn out to be one of our sort. What do you think?
I'm sorry, Abbott. I've never been much of a joiner.
Just remember, the offer is open. The world is changing and one does need to choose sides. And sometimes things change so fast that it's hard to tell one side from the other. But as I hate to say it, sometimes these situations do come down to a for us or against us sort of problem, if you see what I mean.
I'll remember that. Excuse me.
Why are you following me? There's so much I want to say. It's just that I am tired. You can't imagine how tired I am. We'll talk in the morning. Good night. Something's wrong. We're not stopping.
اذهب أيها الملعون!